Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new walking treadmill. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So first, as you can see, the treadmill arrives mostly assembled with the frame, motorized deck, and safety arms neatly packed. All the necessary bolts, Allen key, and screws come included, so setup was straightforward. I'm attaching the upright handlebars and securing them with the provided hardware. The transport wheels are already attached, which makes it easy to move into place even before powering it on. As you're watching the part, notice how compact the treadmill actually is. Just over 42 inches long and 21 inches wide. It's designed to fit into smaller living room spaces. Now that you see it fully assembled, the first thing you'll notice is the large HD LED display. It's bright, easy to read, and displays time, distance, and speed and calories at a glance. The handlebar height is set at a comfortable level, giving better arm support than lower profile models. Another unique touch is the RGB light strip running along the base. It changes color at different speeds, which is surprisingly motivating feature during workouts. Underneath, you've got advanced shock absorbent with a 6-layer anti-slip running belt, anti-static coating, and heavy-duty metal frame construction. The setup is built to handle up to 350 pounds, which is impressive for a compact treadmill. Here I'm showing the FitShow app on my phone, which is included for free. Once you've connected it via Bluetooth, you can track your runs, set goals, or even run virtual routes on your screen using the integration. The app logs your duration, speed, distance, and calories in real time, and you can store your workout history. You can also customize workouts, set intervals, or select training programs directly from the app. I also did like that you can also select from their music selection as well. This makes the treadmill feel more interactive and lets you push yourself beyond just manual speed adjustments. Besides the app, you also get a small remote that controls all the basic functions. I'm showing it here. You can start, stop, speed up, speed down, and everything's at your fingertip. This is great for quick adjustments without reaching over the console mid-run. Between the app, the built-in console, and the remote, you've got 3 ways to control speed and programs. Right now, I'm demonstrating how responsive it is. You can smoothly accelerate or slow down while you're moving without jolt. Finally, I'm on the treadmill using it. The motor is rated at 3.5 horsepower and runs quietly under 40 decibels, so it's suitable for apartments or late night sessions. The speed range goes from a slow 0.6 miles per hour up to a 6 mile per hour jog. I'm also showing the incline feature here, 4 levels, adjustable up to 10% for more intense calorie burn. At 0 incline, it burns around 200 calories per hour, but at 10% incline, it can triple that burn rate depending on your pace. With the shock absorption and the anti-slip belt, the impact on the knees and joints is noticeably softer than a hard surface. The treadmill feels solid and stable even during longer runs, and folding it back down or rolling it away with the built-in wheels is quick and easy. So if you guys are looking for a new walking treadmill or walking pad, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.